Good morning children. Welcome to Maths class. In our previous class, we discussed addition and subtraction of like fractions and unlike fractions. Today we can discuss addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Okay, for that first we can discuss with the one word problem. Here we have one question. Naina was given 1/2 piece of cake and Najma was given 1/3 piece of cake. Then find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Okay. So in this question, what are the things given? Naina was given 1/2 piece of cake. Then next person, Najma was given 1/3 piece of cake. Okay. Then we want to find out the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Okay. So in this question, first we can write the given things. Okay. Here first piece of cake given to Naina. What is that? 1/2. Then piece of cake given to Najma. That is 1/3. Then we want to find out the total amount. For finding total amount, what we want to do? We want to do the addition. So next, piece of cake given to Naina and Najma is equal to 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay. So in this question, you can see two fractions are mixed fraction. Okay. So for adding two mixed fraction, first we want to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction that we already studied. Okay. So for converting a mixed fraction to improper fraction, what we want to do? We want to use our formula. Whole number into denominator plus numerator, then whole divided by denominator. So we can convert first fraction. Here 1/2. Whole number into denominator. 1 into 2 plus numerator plus 1, then whole divided by 2. Then we will get 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2, that is 3/2. Okay. Then next one 1/3. The same way 1 into 3 plus 1 whole divided by 3. We will get 3 plus 1 whole divided by 3. Then the final answer is 4/3. So instead of this mixed fraction, now we have improper fraction. So we want to add only this improper fraction. Okay. And here you can see in this improper fraction, what about the denominator? Denominators are different. So this is an unlike fraction. For adding unlike fraction, what we want to do? We want to make the unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay. That means we want to make the denominator same. For that, first we want to find out the LCM of this denominator. What is the LCM here? The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Then next we want to convert this unlike fraction to like fraction. For that already we get the LCM as 6. Then we can make the denominator 6. In first fraction 3/2. 2 into which number we will get 6? 2 into 3 we will get 6. So we can multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Okay. Then second fraction 4/3. In this 3 we want to make the denominator 6. So 3 into 2 we will get 6. So we can multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Okay. Then we will get the answer 9/6 plus 8/6. Now the fractions are like fraction. So we want to consider only the numerator, add the numerator and write the denominator same. Then we will get 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? 17. Then 17/6 is our answer. Okay. But in our question, the question in the form of mixed fraction. Now we get the answer in the form of improper fraction. So we can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. For that, what we want to do? We want to divide 17 divided by 6. Here the calculation 17 divided by 6. 2 6 are 12. Then 17 minus 12 we will get remainder 5. Then we already studied the formula how to write improper to mixed. We want to write quotient, then remainder by divisor. So here the quotient is 2, then remainder by divisor is 5 by 6. So in our question, hence the total amount of piece given to both. That means the total amount of piece of cake given to Naina and Najma is 2 5 by 6. Okay. Next we can discuss another question. Here Jaydev takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So in this question, Jaydev and Rahul walk across the same school ground with a different time. We want to find out who takes less time and by what fraction. For that, we can write the given things. We want to write the steps. Time taken by Jaydev. How much time taken by Jaydev? That is 1 by 5 minutes. And this is in the form of mixed fraction. We can convert it into improper fraction. For that, whole number into denominator plus numerator, then whole divided by denominator. Then we will get the answer 10 plus 1 by 5, that is 11 by 5 minutes. Next one, time taken by Rahul. Time taken by Rahul is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 minutes. And 7 by 4 is already in the form of improper fraction. So no need to convert. Then after that we want to compare. Here who takes less time? Who takes less time means we want to compare this to improper fraction. And in this improper fraction you can see here numerators are different, denominators also different. So these are unlike fraction. We want to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. Then only we can compare. Okay. So for making unlike fraction to like fractions, what we want to do? We want to make the denominator same. For that, first we can find out the LCM of the denominator. Here the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Next we want to make the denominators 20. Okay. So the LCM is 20. So we can make the denominator as 20. For that, in the first fraction 11 by 5, we want to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. Then we will get 44 by 20. Then second fraction 7 by 4, we want to multiply numerator and the denominator by 5. Then we will get 35 by 20. Then now the denominators are same. So we can compare these two fractions with the numerators. 44 and 35. Which one is greater one? 44. So we have 44 by 20 is greater than 35 by 20. In our question they asked who takes less time? Who takes less time? Here 35 by 20 is the less time and 35 by 20 means 7 by 4. 7 by 4, that means Rahul takes less time. Okay, and by what fraction? By what fraction means we want to find out the difference between 44 by 20 and 35 by 20. So we can find out the difference. Here both two fractions are like fractions. So very easily we can find out the difference. Okay, here we want to subtract numerators. 44 minus 35. What is 44 minus 35? That is 9. Then the denominators are same. So the final answer is 9 by 20. And here we have proper fractions. So no need to convert. Okay. So from this we can say thus Rahul takes less time, which is 9 by 20 minutes. Okay. So in this question two things we want to do. First we want to compare. Who takes less time means first we want to compare the fractions. After that we want to find out the difference. Okay. So I hope you understood today's portion. Study well. Thank you.